Hey, Rick Sammon here, Canon Explorer of Light, Kelby 1 instructor. Thanks so much for joining me. Today I have some tips just for you on choosing gear for Scott Kelby's Photowalk. It's a worldwide photo walk and it's going to be a ton of fun. So about gear. As you can see, I am totally self-contained. I'm carrying my tripod here so I can put it down and shoot. I have my Canon 24 to 105mm lens on my Canon 5D Mark IV, my favorite shooting combination, ready to go. I'm not dragging around a roller bag, and I don't have a shoulder bag that I put down. So I am self-contained. Now, look at this picture. Everything you see in this picture is stuffed in my photo vest. Let's take a closer look at that gear. In addition to my 24 to 105mm lens, which is great for landscape photography and seascape photography, I have a 70 to 200mm lens that's ideal for nearby people and wildlife photography. You can also use both of these lenses for detailed shots of flowers, plants, and patterns. And those different pictures help you tell your story of your location. You may also want to bring a backup camera, which can also double as a quick, fun snapshot camera. And don't forget extra memory cards and an extra battery. Plus, don't leave home without a polarizing filter to reduce glare on water and an ND neutral density filter, which is great for creating that silky water effect when photographing by the sea. In places where you can't use a tripod, or if you want to get a unique angle, pack a platypod on which you can mount a ball head. It's a ton of fun to use. A head-mounted flashlight may come in handy if you are out late. And if you're like me, you want to pack an extra lens cap. Now, here are two accessories I do not have in my vest, but they can really help you make great pictures. If you want to carry a lens for super wide and fun shots, I'd go for a fisheye lens or a fisheye zoom. You may also want to bring a speed light for daylight fill-in flash shots. Hey, this is really important. Before you shoot, activate your camera's highlight alert and histogram. Those features are your in-camera's light meter, and they can help you get the best in-camera exposure. Well, my friends, grab your gear, grab your sneakers, and get ready for an awesome photo walk. I'm Rick Sammon. I'll catch you later.